In this video, we're going to look at Lewis structures again and figure out how to write Lewis structures for any compound. And we can do this if we just follow a number of steps. The first one is just write out what atoms are involved in your molecule, where you always have hydrogens as terminal. Hydrogens can only bind to one bond, so they should never be in the center. And electronegative atoms should always be at the terminal positions as well. Then you calculate the total number of electrons of the Lewis structure by adding the valence electrons for each atom in the molecule. And you're dealing with ions, you consider the charge of the ion as well. So if you have a negative ion, you add an electron. If you have a positive ion, you subtract electrons. Then you distribute the electrons around the atoms and you give octets or duets to as many atoms as possible. And if you have atoms that lack an octet, you can form double or triple bonds. And so here I have four Lewis structures, or four possible Lewis structures: CCl4, N2O, SaH4, and Cl2CO. And this is what the Lewis structures would look for these compounds. So all I'm doing here is my most electronegative atoms are at the end. Then I put carbon here in the center, and NO. Oxygen would not be at the center because it's most electronegative. Hydrogen, most electronegative, and chlorine and oxygen is most electronegative, so that's why they're at the terminals. You count your number of valence electrons, you put them in, and you form double and triple bonds as necessary. And that's it for writing Lewis structures of any element that you can think of. And with that, that's the end of this video. See you in the next video.